Hello dear Goenkans, today we are going to do an activity that is written on the page number 71 of your IT Beans textbook. So if we start with the activity, the first step is open Microsoft Excel and enter the given data in a worksheet. This is the data that was given on the textbook, so I have already written it to save the time. Now let's just see what are the other steps. Then the step is save the assignment using the save button on the quick access toolbar. We all know this is called quick access toolbar and this is the save button, and we have to save it using this button and we have to specify a file name to it. I have already saved it with the name grade 6. Now second thing, the next is insert a row after row 12 and enter the following data has been given. So we have to insert a row after row 12. Let me remind you, we all know that when we have to insert a row above, so we have to go to the below, we have to go to one step down, one row down. So if we want to insert a row after 12, we have to click on 13, then only a row will be inserted after 12. So this is what I was telling to you. Now we have to insert the content that's given by them, Karan, and in place of designation we have to write managing director. Now here we have to write marketing, and then we have to write the salary as 50,000. So this is done. The next is we have to insert a column before salary. So if we have to insert a column before, we have to go to salary and then we have to write here insert sheet column. Okay, then it is then it's writing enter the heading as phone number. So we have to give a heading to it and we have to write phone number here and enter the phone number of the numbers of the people mentioned in the newly added column. So here is our newly added column. Here we have to insert a number. So this is it, we have inserted a number. Then we have to do is activate the cell A6 and change its content to Rohit. As you all can see, the active cell here in the name box, the active cell gets displayed. So right now our active cell is D13. We have to activate the cell A6, that is here. So now our active cell is A6 and we have to change the content to Rohit. So we have changed the content to Rohit. Next is change the cell content to production in cell C7 using edit mode. So we have to go to C7. Here is C7. We have to change the content to production. So I'll write production, then we keep enter. So this is done. Copy the content of B11. So we have to go to the B11. Here we have to copy the content using Control plus C. So I'm clicking on Control plus C and then we have to paste it and to B8, that is here. Using Control plus V, have clicked Control plus V to paste it. Now we have to insert a column before column A. So here is column A. So I'll insert another column before it. So this is the column. Then we have to type the heading here SR. Okay, then number, done. Next is we have to type 1 and 2 in cell A1. So this is our cell A1, so I'll write 1 and then in cell A2 we have to type 2. Okay, rest of the entries using the autofill feature. So I guess he has mistakenly written A1 A2. He has to write, we have to write here A4 and A5. Here we have to write A1 instead of A1 A2. He has to write A4 A5. He has mistakenly written wrong. Then using autofill we have entered everything. Now we have to save the file using Control plus S key combination. So I'll just click on Control plus S. All the changes have been saved to the file and I'll now close the file. So this is it.